Hello everyone, I'm Tara Lovelace, an attorney at the Law Office of Brian Fagan. Navigating the legal landscape can be complex, especially when it comes to understanding legal documents like petitions and motions. Today we're breaking down the key differences between these two concepts and exploring when and how to use each. Let's dive into this essential guide to decode legal language and empower you with knowledge. Imagine a situation where you need to initiate legal proceedings. In legal terms, a petition is a formal written request submitted to a court seeking a specific action or remedy. Petitions are commonly used to start legal actions such as divorce proceedings or the establishment of child custody. Now, contrast this with motions. A motion is a written or oral request made to the court during an ongoing case asking for a specific ruling or order. In our exploration, picture a scenario where you want to initiate a legal process. Petitions are your starting point. When you file a petition, you are essentially asking the court to take action. For instance, in family law, filing a petition could be the first step in seeking a divorce, establishing child custody, or requesting spousal support. Petitions outline the legal basis for your request and set the stage for further proceedings. Now let's shift our focus to motions. Envision a situation where your legal case is already in progress, but circumstances change or a specific issue needs addressing. This is where motions come into play. Motions are tools used during an ongoing case to request the court's intervention on specific matters. Whether it's asking for a temporary restraining order or seeking clarification on a legal issue, motions address issues that arise during the course of litigation. As we delve deeper, consider the timing of these legal tools. Petitions are typically filed at the outset of a legal matter, initiating the case and outlining the relief sought. Picture this as the opening chapter of your legal story. On the other hand, motions are like subsequent chapters, introduced during the course of the case to address evolving circumstances or specific issues that needs the court's attention. Picture a scenario where you need to understand the nature of the relief sought. Petitions primarily seek a substantive relief outlining the main objectives of the legal action. In a divorce petition, for example, you might seek the dissolution of the marriage and the establishment of child custody arrangements. Motions, however, are procedural in nature, addressing specific issues within the existing legal framework, such as requesting a change in visitation schedules or asking for more time to respond to discovery requests. To illustrate these concepts further, let's consider family law scenarios. Envision filing a divorce petition to initiate the legal process of ending a marriage. Now, fast forward to a few months into the divorce proceedings. If one party discovers new information that could impact child custody arrangements, they might file a motion asking the court to consider this new evidence and modify the existing custody order. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of understanding petitions and motions in law. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more legal insights. Remember, the Law Office of Brian Fagan is here to support you through the complexities of family law. If you have questions or need legal assistance, don't hesitate to reach out and schedule a free 30-minute consultation. Until next time, take care.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.